Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Right in this video, I'll be teaching you how to be earning free USDT from this amazing site. So watch me vividly to the very end to know how to make your sign up, how to get yourself registered by inputting your email address, your password, confirm your password, hit up on register button, create account for yourself. So by hitting up on get started, you'll be redirected into the site. So as you can see, this is the website. The details of the daily interest rate for pledge loans are as follow. They divide customer into different level according to the VIP status user who play different digital asset will receive different daily interest. So read it to the very end to know more about the site. Also guys, I will be teaching you step by step how to inform the site, how to invest, and also how to make instant withdrawal from the site. So the first step which I will be teaching is how to recharge. Hit up on recharge. Once you hit up on recharge, these are on network which you can make use to recharge into the site. There'll be 20 USDT, your BNB, your TRS, your TRS20 USDT, will be 20 USDT. Copy the wallet address, drop it on HTML, make your minimum recharge to unlock this VIP. So once you make your minimum recharge, hit up on recharge complete, you have automatically purchased a boat as you can see right here. And before making a recharge, do what to make your personal verification concerning the site. I'm not a financial expert to give you financial guide. So after then, you can also make instant withdrawal, also make your pledge. So you can also make referrals to earn benefit. Hit up on the trail lines, hit up on referral program. By hitting up on the referral program, all you have to do is to acquire a referral link, distribute the link wherever you choose, reap the financial benefit. So this is my referral link. I'll be leaving it on the comment section of the video. Click on it, get yourself registered, start earning free USDT from this site. So guys, let me show you how to stake your USDT to earn daily benefit. So all you have to do, as you can see, the asset value updated hourly, and you can add to staking and daily income. So as you can see right here, for you to stake, you can also pledge the amount which is for USDT for how many days which you wish to pledge, either 31 days or 10 days. So I'll be dragging my own to 31 days. Once I stake for 31 days here, as you can see right here, then you can also make instant withdrawal. So all you have to do is to hit up on staking. Once you hit up on staking, you hit up on confirm. Once you hit up on confirm, you have automatically staked this amount. So let me show you how to make withdrawal. As you can see, my daily income is 1.33 USDT, and I'll make withdrawal of this amount of USDT by hitting up on withdraw. Once you hit up on withdraw, you are going to enter your withdrawal password. Once you enter your withdrawal password, then we confirm the payment straight up to our wallet to be sure that the platform is really unique and amazing. So stay tuned as I teach you and show you how to earn and make instant withdrawal. Hit up on confirm. Once you hit up on confirm, all you have to do is to go to your wallet address. Once you go to your wallet address, we copy it and long paste the wallet by hitting up on USDT. Once you hit up on USDT, choose between USDT, drag this arrow, copy it, come back to the site. Once you come back to the site, you please enter the contact information and also paste the wallet address here. Once you paste the wallet address, enter the wallet your contact information. Once you enter the contact information, then hit up on confirm. Once you hit up on confirm, the security cannot be empty. So I'm going to enter my security password. Once I enter my security password, then I'll make instant withdrawal. So stay tuned as I make instant withdrawal and confirm the payment. Hit up on confirm. Once you hit up on confirm, we have made withdrawal of this amount of USDT and the platform is really unique. So let me show you how to check on your wallet. Come to the wallet. So guys, as you can see, we have received this amount of USDT and the platform is really unique of 1.30 USDT, and the balance has arrived. If you are new to my YouTube channel and the video is valid to you, don't forget to hit up on your subscription button, turn on your notification bell, give the video a thumbs up and a comment pending when new update will be dropping so that you get